If we look right here to the side, 7 could give you 27x, 49x, 14x, 83x, and 73x. So as you can see, Michigan, we got 817. And as you can see right here, it was in our pairs. So your number could possibly come like that as well in your pairs. So pay attention. Michigan or whatever state you from, they're real tricky. But I only really know about Michigan. I do other states because I can and because I'm intelligent and I know how. But anywho, so always look for the hits for a possibility in your pairs on the side that I give you. Let's go over here. Now we'll go down. We'll keep it with midday. So you see that Michigan, we got 347. When you add it together, that gives you a 14. 4 plus 1 is 5. And that's why that 5 is right there. So you will get your pairs like this. Your 5, you already write it down, and then you subtract. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So then you go to the second side and you say 5 and you add. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. And remember, we only use the number on your left-hand side. So let's go next door for Eve. As you can see, Michigan got 817. So remember, you take your first two digits, 81, and you subtract the last digit. 81 minus 7 gives you 4. Remember, you use your last two digits to figure out the pair. So a 7 and a 4 will give you 74x. And then you write your 74, and then for the third digit, you just do your 0 through 9. So as we go up here, the 74 will give you a 1, a 2, a 3, a 8, and a 0. Once you figure out what gives you 74, then you take your 74 that they already gave you and add it to the end of that. And that's why that is always in red, because they already gave us the pair right here to let us know that it could possibly be a 74x. And 7 plus 4 is 11. So if we do it that way, what comes after 11? A 22 could come after 11. And as you can see, they gave us a 22x as a possibility. Or a 24x could come after 11. And what did they give us? 274 is basically 247. So that's a possibility tomorrow for Eve. As we go down here, I want to show y'all something. So for Eve, Michigan got 817. So 8 plus 1 is a 16. And then you add those numbers together, and that's how I got my 7. So once you realize what it is, you remember you drop the 7 down because that's what they gave you. And then you just subtract. 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 minus 4 5 minus 1 is 4, and 4 minus 1 is 3. And then you go to the other side, you say, okay, they gave me a 7. So then you add 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. But remember, you only use your number on your right-hand side. So you just use the 0. 10 plus 1 is 11. You only use the 1 because it's on your right-hand side. And then 11 plus 1 is 12. So that's how I got those pairs. Now I'm going to walk you over here. Now you see they gave us a 14 midday, and then they gave us a 16 for Eve. So when you look right here, I said plus 2 because 14 plus 2 gives you 16. 5 plus 2 gives you 7. You see what they did right there? So always look at that. See what you have as the first is, and then you look at the Eve and see whether they gave you plus 2, minus 2, plus 3, plus 10. That way you know the pattern. I just showed y'all the pattern. Basically, plus 2, 14 plus 2 is 16. 5 plus 2 is 7. You got to watch them. They're real slick with it. So I am about to post this. I just wanted to come through and explain it and let you know about the bottom half, and for you to always look at your is A first, and then look to the each side and then see if they added or subtracted and what they added and subtracted. So we know they did a +2 right here. Now tomorrow they could do -2 or -3 +10. All depends on how they feeling that day. But I just wanted to explain this rundown before I post it. So when you do test it in your state, for those who actually is going to use this information and do it in your state, you could possibly see exactly what's going on, especially for the bottom half. But it's a high alert for 777 because they gave us a 77 net. So I am about to post the rundowns that I did do. I just wanted to explain this real fast, and hopefully you guys over and understand it.